Hello, today we are going to look at linear equations with one variable. Linear equations with one variable. Start with one example. So 3x plus 12 is equal to x plus 22. And the question is solve for x, just one variable. The way to do it is to make sure that you have all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So we could easily start by taking an x away from here, minus x on this side and minus x on this side to get all the x's together, because when x minus x will be 0, 3x minus x will be 2x plus 12 is equal to 22. And then we want to get rid of the 12 here, so we'll take the 12 off here, minus 12 here as well. So we'll end up with 2x. 22 minus 12 is 10. If we want x to be by itself, we'll have to divide both sides, divide by 2 to get the x on its own. So 2x divided by 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2, and that will be 5. So x is equal to 5. So that will be the solution to this equation, which only has got one variable. We'll pause. So we will look at a second equation that is slightly more complicated. So second one than the first one. So which will be 2x plus 5 is equal to 8 minus 2x minus 3. So again, solve for x. This one is slightly more complicated because it has got brackets, but that does not change anything. First, we want to try and get rid of the brackets. How do we get rid of the brackets? We'll take the minus and multiply it through. Minus times 2x is minus 2x. And minus times minus 3, minus times minus is plus. So it's plus 3. On the corner for you watching, minus times minus. Minus. Scratch that. Minus times minus is plus. Okay, so that will be 8 plus 3 is 11 minus 2x. So what do we want? We want to also get rid of this 2x. I think it will help if I change the number here to plus 2x here and plus 2x here to get rid of the 2x, because minus 2x plus 2x is 0. It cancels itself out. So 2x plus 2x will be 4x. Go back to the black. 4x plus 5 is equal to 11. We want to get rid of the 5 that is here. What you do to the one side, you do to the other side. So we end up with 4x, because 5 minus 5 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now to get rid of the 4, we have to divide by 4 because we want x to be on its own. So 4x divided by 4 is equal to 6 over 4. The x will disappear, and then x becomes 6 over 4. We can simplify that even further because we know that 2 can go into 4 twice and 2 into 6 3 times. So x becomes 3 over 2. So this is a slightly more complicated one, which has got brackets, but the principles remain the same. Thank you for listening.